to show you guys how to make a beer can cover. This is really easy. Let me get the pizza out of the way because this is about beer cover. All right, we're sneaking into a concert and we need to get beer in there, right? Or a movie theater, wherever you gotta go. Got a beer can here. This is not the size I'm working with. Actually got a Smirnoff sparkling drink, and it's similar to this can right here. There's two ways you can do this. You can take a razor and you can score it under the lip and keep working your way around. That might take maybe about 5 to 10 passes. Or you could take a can opener, put it under that lip right there, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're gonna work our way around this. You don't even have to push hard because it's tin. And I got my 2 fingers here just guiding you, because if you have somebody help you, it's a lot easier. Alright, so there you go, I got that off. I have my razor blade right here, and I'm going to puncture it right in here and just work my way around. If you try to go too low right here, the aluminum gets a lot thicker. So that's why I'm going about maybe a 1/4 inch above. And they sell these things all over the internet. But if you need one in a hurry, who's got time to order one and wait, right? When you can make it yourself. All right, you have a scissors handy. A lot of you don't know this, but aluminum is very easy to cut. And just find a place that you're gonna cut it. And I'm actually gonna cut mine right there. And this thing is like reusable, so you can have like 5, 6 beers on you and just keep drinking. Alright, there's that. Alright, finishing touch. Whoop, slipped out right there. There you go. Put a piece of tape right here, you're all set. What are you guys drinking? LaCroix Pop. What are you talking about? Get out of here. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Go make one.